Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today in this video we are going to learn how to log into Banana Republic credit card. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your browser. Now after opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in Banana Republic credit card. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. This is the official website of Banana Republic. Here on the top you can see sign in option. Click on it. Now again click on sign in. Now you need your email address to type in your email. Now if you want to manage your Banana Republic reward credit card, you can click on this link. Now click on continue and you are able to log in Banana Republic credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.